see what impact this kind of technology, property technology, has on apartment investing in the Texas market. PropTech is revolutionized how apartment investors collect and use data. With the help of AI and data analytics, investors can now predict trends, optimize pricing, and also make smart investment with informed information, or rather with gathering of data. You can make or forecast things into the tens of even decades ahead. And also through data-driven insights, investors can now track tenant preference. Yes, identifying emerging markets and also knowing where your key pockets of renters are, making better decisions in terms of how you invest. The PropTech platforms are also streamlining property management, as we see, allowing investors to track expenses, manage leases, and communicate with tenant more effectively. What are the key takeaways? PropTech helps investors leverage data for smarter, even more profitable decisions. So AI and analytics can optimize pricing and property management processes, as I just mentioned.